You sleep for 7 or 8 hours every night, yet you still wake up exhausted. If this sounds familiar, your body may be trying to tell you something. Sleep apnea is more than loud snoring. During sleep, your breathing repeatedly stops and starts, reducing oxygen levels and disrupting the deep restorative sleep your body needs. Many people live with sleep apnea for years without knowing it. Left untreated, it can affect your energy, focus, mood, and overall health. The first step toward treatment is knowing what's really happening while you sleep. Dentulu's home sleep test makes getting answers simple. Your kit is delivered to your home. Wear the comfortable device for just one night while sleeping in your own bed. Your sleep data is professionally reviewed to evaluate your breathing patterns, oxygen levels, and sleep quality. If sleep apnea is identified, Dentulu can connect you with personalized treatment options, including virtual consultations and custom oral sleep appliances for eligible patients. Better mornings begin with better nights. Don't keep guessing about your sleep. Discover what's happening and take the first step toward healthier, more restful sleep with Dentulu.